everyone, Thomas here, mgmclassiccars.com from Addison, Illinois. I have another 1965 Ford Mustang, pepper gray, Eleanor gray color, just finished. Car just came in, Massachusetts, clean, clear title, and it is a clean one. Brand new paint. I'm gonna walk around the car just to give you an idea of all the angles, and then I'm gonna get a little closer to the paints so I can pick it apart for you guys, because I pick apart my own cars and tell you everything about them, okay? So those decals, or should I say, yeah, the side rocker decal to say GT350, that's removable. So if you wanted to remove the entire decal stripe or even just a GT350, you can, or you want to put your name in it, you want to put Shelby in it, whatever you want to do, we can. The stripes on the trunk, roof, and the hood are painted. So brand new rims, 5-star rims, torque thrust like on all 4 corners. Look at that. Love that hood scoop. All the bezels, grille, chrome bumpers are brand new, front, back. Vent windows are original. Sport mirrors original. Door handles have been replaced. So we're gonna get a little bit closer now to the paint, just to show you guys this Eleanor pepper gray finish. There's no nicks anywhere here. And if I see it, I'm gonna point it out and show it to you guys. No bubbling, nothing like that. Super clean from top to bottom. All around. Okay, continuing here. Light bezels are all brand new. Like I said, the chrome bumper's new. Dual GT exhaust. You got the GT350. Gas cap there. Look at the lines there. Really nice. Stainless looks good on the car. Roof looks excellent. Vertical strips have been replaced. And again, no nicks, scratches, nor dents anywhere on my little GT car. Again, it's a theme car. It's not a real GT350. Okay, there's a little nick right there. Oh no, it's not. It's just wax. All right. Well, yeah, all right. Well, that's good news. I thought that was a little scratch. I'm happy to see that it's not. All right, so I'm gonna pop open the interior. Let's check out, sorry, I'm getting text messages while I'm doing the video. Wing windows, pretty cool on the Mustangs. Door jambs look great. So the door handle right here, it's brand new. Door panel. Here's the door handle, okay? I just have to finish mounting that on the car. Okay, so don't let that discourage you. Again, you've seen the body. It's all in excellent condition with new paints. 3-stage paints. Beautiful buckets. Nice rear buckets as well. Outer door jambs are nice. They molded that on really nice. A scoop. Nice clean interior. Nice dash. Package tray, headliner, 2 6x9s. Let's check out the trunk. I want you guys to know what you're buying. If you're buying, obviously. Oh, look at that. Fingerprints. Oh boy, we do push cars around here. All right. Super clean trunk. As you can see, spare tire jack assembly. No rust. Super clean. Underneath is very solid as well. Let's check out the driver's, or should I say the passenger side. Look how clean that is. The rockers are solid. Beautiful interior. Except for that piece of leaf right there. See that? All right. All right, so let's check out the engine compartment. Open up the hood. Right down here, one hand, hood comes up. Beautiful restored engine compartment in the correct blue. 289 high performance motor. Beautiful and clean and detailed with no issues. Even under the hood's been painted really nice. So there you have it. Now, let's get it fired up. Showing 2,836 miles. So we're gonna say it's 102,836 miles, all right? I was told that the engine has less than 5,000 miles on the rebuild. Light switch is on. Let's fire up this baby. Nice and smooth. Horn doesn't work. I will get that to function. Wipers function. Okay. Radio, which is a JVC tape player, does not work. If you want us to add in a radio, we could. It's one of our options here. There's your automatic shifter. Listen to the little motor. All right, let's walk around it now. Doesn't that sound good? Yeah, it's a beauty. And I do have others right there and more, about 50 cars back there. Anyway, getting back to this one. All right, this is the one we're paying attention to right now. Let's listen to the motor. Sounds great. As you can see, the heat's been bypassed. Anyway, this is only driven on nice sunny days. If you get caught in the rain, you've got wipers. But I hope you don't get caught in the rain because it's beautiful. All right, let me shut this off. Turn signals function as well. All right. Okay, so here's a couple things I want to talk to you guys about. You guys keep asking me, where do you find these cars? Well, I can't tell you that, because I do find a lot of nice ones, okay? But it's a full-time job. It's what I do 8 days a week. Yes, I say 8 days a week. If there were 9, I'd be doing it. 29 years in the business. So, let's talk about delivery. I want you guys to go get a pen. I'm gonna write down my phone number. So delivery, you would have to text me, call me with your zip code, I'll get you a quote. Let's talk about financing. I got 4 different levels of financing and about 6 different banks. Level number 1, credit score would be excellent, between 700 to 800. That gets you done in about 15 minutes with one of the best credit rating, best credit scores out there. 4 or 5% range, 15-minute approval, no money down. Okay. Level 2, credit score between 650 and 699 gets you this car financed with 10% down. If your credit score is 600 to 649, definitely 10% down, maybe 20% down. And then under 600, meaning 550 to 599, it's a 50-50 chance, but we can try. Okay, so you got the financing. You got the delivery part. You got the pen in your hand. You've seen the outside of the car. I nitpicked the car, told you everything about it, in and out. You heard it run. It drives good. I would love to take you guys for a test drive like I normally do, but unfortunately, the weather here right now is not that good in Illinois. Okay. Otherwise, I would love to do it. So my number is area code 847-848-1850. Keep in mind, guys, if you're buying a classic car, buy from someone who has a good reputation. If you're buying from me or someone else, check the reviews. It's very important. And it's very hard to keep great reviews on classic cars. It is very hard. Look at other dealers, okay? And if they have great ratings, buy the car from them because they deserve to sell it to you and you deserve to own it. They have a good reputation. That's what I have. I got great reviews, 100% on eBay. I sell good quality classic cars. I travel the country to look at these things. I look at 5, 6 of them before I even buy one. Well, this one is a good one. I told you all about it. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click the button on the right-hand corner on the bottom where it says subscribe. If you're on Facebook, go to mgmclassiccars.com, click the like button, okay? Share it, like it, support us. Get your vintage car, guys. Life is short. My price for this little Mustang is $26,500. It's a great price. I do have a list of options for this car if you wanted, like for example, okay? For example, front HID headlights, $250 parts and labor. Rear, $250 parts and labor. Bluetooth radio with 4 speakers, $650 installed. You want fuel injected? It's $2,000 installed. These are all a list of options that I can provide you with this vehicle. You want 4-wheel power disc brakes? $2,000 parts and labor installed. Those are my options for this little Mustang. If you want air conditioning, a Cool Masters air conditioning unit, $1,800 installed. Those are all options that I can provide you because we do our own service work. Not too many people are doing that. Not too many people are disclosing everything. I have. So I think I deserve your business, and I would like to show you a beautiful Mustang. Available here at mgmclassiccars.com. Call me, text me. Now that you have the pen in hand, it's area code 847-848-1850. Once again, thanks for watching, mgmclassiccars.com.